Hey guys, welcome back. So big news coming in for the upcoming iPhone 14 series. Apple has already started the initial production of these devices in Taiwan, and we are gonna take a look at the most accurate look of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Further, we'll talk about some more updates regarding the battery consumption as well. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So big news from Taiwan says that Foxconn will start manufacturing the high-end iPhone 14 models, whereas another Apple supplier, Luxshare, will take on the two lower-end models. Foxconn will begin OEM trial production of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max to ensure it can produce the device to Apple standards in preparing for mass production later on in this year. And we all know that this time Apple is planning to add design changes inspired from iPhone 4 and iPhone 5, and here is your most accurate look of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, where you can see the cameras are completely merged inside the back panel, leaving no camera bumps at all. Also, the side frame will come with titanium finish this time, which reminds us the old iPhones like round shaped volume buttons and speaker vent at the bottom with a lightning port. Talking about the front, Apple will be removing the notch this time. Finally, they have planned to implement a pill-shaped cutout and hole punch cutout for the Face ID sensor, and this also means that we won't be getting a Touch ID sensor with these upcoming devices. Do note that the final design may vary a little, but the overall looks and design would be close to this render. So let me know what are your thoughts upon this in the comment section. Moving on, iPhone 14 series will offer better battery life while using the 5G connection. Report says that TSMC will be providing the 5G radio frequency chip for the iPhone 14 lineup, and this chip is based on 6nm fabrication, and according to TSMC, this 6nm process 5G chip can provide physical smaller chip with lower power consumption. And to control the temperature on these devices, Apple may likely add a vapor chamber cooling system to lower the temperature with efficiency. So great news for 5G users. Further, talking about the camera setup, with the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, Apple is expected to add a fresh 48MP sensor as a primary shooter in the Pro models only, which will also enable 8K video recording footage on these devices, which is definitely a great move. And as of now, we can only imagine how well Apple can optimize this new sensor according to their taste, and this is first time ever where Apple will use more than 12MP sensor on its iPhones. So there you go guys, these are the latest updates regarding the iPhone 14 series, and let me know if you have any questions related to these smartphones. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.